Hello, how are you guys?
Good.
All right, I was expecting a few more. You have to stretch your session out a little bit. Okay. As you said, I'm Starlet. I'm a licensed massage therapist. Got started in 2013. After going to school for it, I figured it was the best way to combine like helping people and working with my hands, right? So I think that, throughout my career, I found that healthy touch, a phrase I had never heard of, really can make an impact in the world. And it has so many benefits, and I'm just so excited to share with you and to, give you a little bit of my world and how you can use healthy touch to benefit your loved ones or people that you come in contact with. Okay, so what is healthy touch? Most of you guys have probably heard of healthy touch by now, right? Wasn't something that was always welcome, wasn't even a phrase, But now that we have it very well defined, and we can define it as consensual physical touch that promotes healing, bonding, comfort, thank you, and things like that. And then I was gonna say, when you think of healthy touch, what comes to mind? We can just popcorn some answers. What comes to mind when you think of healthy touch?
Hugs.
Hugs.
Massage.
Massage.
Hand holding.
Hand holding.
As
What?
a teacher, I think fist bumps.
Fist pumps. Man, that counts. That's cool. What else?
Comfort.
Comfort. Thank you. All those things are associated with healthy touch. All right, so we talked about it being consensual, bonding for healing. Healthy touch promotes the release of serotonin, oxytocin, those things which can be antidepressants. So when you go to hug somebody, 20 seconds you're releasing endorphins from the brain. It tells you you're safe, this is good for you. It helps to reduce pain, anxiety, things like that. I think over the last few years since dealing with the pandemic, healthy touch has become a thing that is huge. And I saw that for myself, not just with people, but with animals.
Yeah.
People having pets that they can come sit next to them. People who have anxiety, maybe they're not comfortable with people. They're still experiencing touch. That dog comes in, wagging their tail, so excited. Hey, buddy, how you doing? That's still that thing. You're still producing those hormones, right? It's still a good thing. So those are just different ways of help. We, as human beings, we need healthy touch. We have so many touch receptors, right? You get that hug from your mom, you get that hug from your dad, your grandma, your friend, whoever it is that comforts you. You feel like, I can make it another day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's get into our writing exercise. We're gonna do a 15-minute free write. The idea is to express times that you have experienced healthy touch and what it's done for you. Or maybe if you haven't experienced healthy touch and you'd like to, let's write about that, okay? So this is a free write, there's no right and wrong answer.